This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 31W is a Class C RV. It is located in Lexington, South Carolina, 29072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbia. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 32 feet 1 inch in length. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 31W is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.